Hi guys, happy Monday on day 20, April 27th, 8 learning days left. So today our objective is I can identify what the radius, diameter, circumference, and area are in a circle. The big focus, however, is going to be diameter versus radius. Those might be brand new words to you. This is the first time you're really thinking about circles and different parts of circles. So the first thing you're going to want to do, hopefully you already did this, is watch the video. It's a little cheesy, it's kind of fun. In the circle song, it talks all about those four things that I mentioned in the objective: the radius, diameter, circumference, and area. So after you watch that, if you're still a little confused before you do the quizzes, I suggest, obviously you're watching this, to pay attention to this. So the difference between a radius and a diameter, well, they both have a similar thing. So if we think about a Venn diagram and we have the diameter and we have the radius, they both have to have that center point. Both the diameter and the radius must be touching the center point of the circle. However, the radius goes from the center to edge, and the diameter goes from one edge through center to other edge. Oops, should have made that circle bigger. So those are the key differences. So let's kind of have a visual here. So I'm going to attempt, my center points are not going to be perfect because, well, I am human. So let's say those are my center points. My diameter is going to go from one end straight through the other end. And I'm going to label that diameter. I'm going to make that red. And then in green, I'm going to go from the edge straight to my center point, and that is called the radius. Now, a couple ways to help you remember the differences. Diameter, notice how it has more letters. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. Radius only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Diameter has more letters. It's the longer one. Another way, diameter starts with a D. D comes in earlier in the alphabet, so it covers more ground. And it goes, which it does, it goes from one end to the other. Radius is, well, half of that. It goes from one edge to the center. Now, all you're doing today is identifying radius and diameter. Nothing about, well, if you're given the diameter, what's the radius? If you're given the radius, what's the diameter? That's tomorrow's problem. Today, you're just worrying about what are these two things. And then just as a quick reminder, when you ask about circumference, that's the outside, that's perimeter, basically. It is perimeter, but we can't say perimeter because that's all about the the sum of the line segments that make up a polygon. Circles aren't polygons. And then area, well, it's called area everywhere, is the inside. It's the grass that you mow. So just remember that area doesn't change. Circumference is like the perimeter, but we just can't use the word perimeter. Let your teacher know if you have any questions. If not, have a great Monday. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget, make sure you keep taking that quiz until you get over at 80%. You need to know the difference between diameter and radius in order to do the rest of your learning this semester. Okay, bye-bye.